Hi there, it's James at Learn to Drive Travis. We're going to be working on cruise control today. We're going to be talking about how to set cruise control, how to cancel it, what are the benefits of using cruise control, such as, here's one example, save yourself some fuel. So I'll just explain what it is about cruise control, how it works and so on, and then what we're going to do is we're going to have a drive on a nice long dual carriageway, because with cruise control it recommends, I mean, I've got a Honda Jazz here, and in the book, you can see a picture of it in the book, they recommend doing it on a motorway or a highway or a dual carriageway, something that's got a long stretch of road that's easy to drive on at faster speeds, because what you don't want to be doing is setting it on a country road or in a town centre, because it's like, why would you want to use cruise control then? It's meant to be at high speeds. With this car, and I'm sure it's with many of them, you can't set it below a certain speed, so anything below 25 mile an hour, it's not going to work. You can press the cruise button on, but you're not going to be able to set it. So it's got to be above that speed. So if you're on a motorway, and just say for instance you're travelling from London to Birmingham on the motorway, and as soon as you get on the motorway, it's fairly clear. All you got to do is get to speed that you want to set. Once you get, say, just say you get to 60 miles an hour, press that cruise button on, press the set button, and take your foot off the accelerator and just cruise along straight forward, looking ahead of you, checking your mirrors like you'd normally do, and you can relax your legs then. It's easy for you. Ideally, the maximum speed in the UK is 70 mile an hour on the motorway, so if it's cruising along at 70 mile an hour, just set it just below 70, and then you're not catching up with every car in front of you. One of the important things that you got to remember is when you're catching up with cars in front of you, because they're doing 60 miles an hour, you shouldn't be having to accelerate to go around them, because if you're catching up with them, you can plan it just like you normally do. Check your mirrors, signalling, bring yourself into the middle lane from the left, go past it at your speed, check your mirrors, signalling, come back in, and just go past it at that cruising speed that you're on, because if you're catching up with it, you're going to go past it. Yeah, we're going to get onto a dual carriageway. We're on an acceleration lane. I'm doing 50 mile an hour. I'm in 5th gear at the moment. I'm just going to get on. And I'm just going to press my cruise button so the cruise remains on, but I've not set it yet. So to set it, I'm just going to press the set button and then just lift my foot off the gas. It's as easy as that. It's going to feel weird. I've got a nice gap from that truck in front of me, but if I do feel like I'm just getting a little bit too close but I don't want to go any faster, I can just press the down button, 1, and it'll just drop 1 mile per hour. If I feel like I want to go a little bit quicker, I can press the increase button, which is the one above it. So it's like a decrease or an increase. We've got both sides to it. And if I want to go faster, I can just hold my finger on the increase, and it's going to go up. And I'm getting to 50, 59, 60 miles an hour at this moment. So I kept my finger on it. But if you want to go one at a time, just touch it, one, and then go up a mile 1 mile an hour at a time. And the thing about it is, you can take your feet off the pedals and relax now, and just look ahead of you, check your mirrors, and the drive becomes an easier drive. And because you're doing a constant speed, it becomes more fuel efficient on the longer journeys, and it's less stressful because you're more relaxed. There's less distractions because you're not thinking about the gears all the time, you're not thinking about the gas, when to put it on and so on. And all you've got to do is just look in your mirrors, look at the road, so it's just like on a motorway, and you'll cruise at your speed. Now if you wanted to cancel it, you could press the cancel button, knocks it off. You could press the reset button, puts it back on, and that's what happens. So if you wanted to cancel it, there's different ways. You could press the cancel button like I did then, it knocks it off. Or what you could do is you just touch the brake pedal and it knocks it off. Or you could press your foot on the clutch for 5 seconds, and with this on the Jazz it will knock it off then. Obviously different cars are different. So it's an easy one. Now if I'm catching up with a car just say a heavy goods vehicle is doing 60 miles an hour and I'm doing 60 miles an hour and I'm gradually catching up with it, then you could put your foot on the gas, accelerate, and it'll speed up to overtake it, and lift your foot off the gas, and it'll slow back down to 60 miles an hour again, yeah? And it'll just kick back in again at that speed because it's been set for 60 miles an hour. But what you want to say is that I don't want to use all my fuel up, I want to be fuel efficient, I want to save some money. So if I'm catching up with that car or the lorry, the heavy goods vehicle, I can plan to pull out. So I'm checking ahead of me and I'm indicating to pull out and just going past it and then checking and coming back in. So it's actually an easy one to do. So you can actually save yourself lots of fuel, because if you're constantly pressing that gas pedal more than what you need to, then you're going to use more fuel. So it'll just put enough fuel to make it easy. So I'm hoping it helps you. Don't forget to subscribe, by the way, if you like the videos, and feel free to share them. And like I say, if you're coming towards the end of your journey and you're thinking, right, well, I want to be coming off soon because I'm going to come to the end of my journey, I need to get in the next exit, not this one, the one after. So you start to think about it, right, okay then, well, let's get me feet thinking about where they want to go. Don't rush the pedals, you know, so you've got plenty of time. So there's the exit sign. That's what I'm going to come off at. So at this point I'm going to be cancelling, so I'm going to press cancel, it cancels it, and I'm just going to gently press that gas to just maintain the speed that I want. So I'm back in control completely. Even though the main cruise button's on there, it's actually doing nothing. I can actually press it and knock it off because I've not actually set it. So I'm hoping it helps you. If it does, like I say, give it a thumbs up and look out for my next video next week.